there is a mega announcement. Me, Kalyani Vallath, has been teaching for 25 years. It's my silver jubilee of teaching. That is not the announcement, okay? The announcement that comes from Team Tess is, if you join Tess Net Batch starting on 20th March, what will happen? You will, of course, get Net and JRF. That is what will happen. And if you get JRF in the June exam, you have joined the upcoming batch starting on 20th March, and you are getting JRF in the June exam. Ta-da! We will refund your 100 fees. Tuition fees, 100%. Tuition fees say 100%, matlab, it's a huge amount of money we'll refund. Books ka, materials ka alag hai, but tuition fees is a big amount. You will completely get it back. Try hard and get JRF. I want to return JRF fees of 100 people. All of you should get JRF. We will teach NTA a lesson by working hard. Did you understand? It is not possible, I know, because there is a small number only that will get, but we can try. And when we try, we will get net. So this batch, there was scholarship. There was scholarship exam. So many people got financial assistance from TESS. They did not have to pay full fees. Do you understand? Every year we have scholarship. So many people are getting fayda out of it. I mean, good benefit out of it. So next time in June, but we will give this refund, ta-dang, this bag of money. And those who get JRF in the Feb and December exams, what about them? You're thinking, अरे मैंने तो exam अच्छे से लिखा था, मुझे तो JRF मिलना चाहिए. अगर मुझे मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? Ta-dang, you will get amazing prizes, promise. Okay, so that is the mega announcement. I hope you like it. Ta-da!